Right. Hello YouTube. Let me just get the YouTube chat up as well, in case we have anyone in there. Oh, shit. Sorry. Um, YouTube, can you chat up for our gold? Yeah, sure. I'll go over that as well. Whoa, what on earth is that? Right, why do I get stuff like this? Talk with women from Ukraine. That is crazy. I always get dodgy. I always get like gay tests as well. Like, no, I'm being deadly serious. It's like find your sexuality and stuff. I don't know why. I think my YouTube is kind of cursed. The only videos, I have 2 YouTube accounts, right? I have my main one, which is obviously the account you guys watch. And as you can see, it's just pure like trading and like documentaries, social media, trading, motivation, trading, politics. It's all like productive stuff, as you can say. And then I have the other one, which is just like shit. I do not. Anyway, I'm not going to try and defend myself. There's no point. Let me just make myself a little bit smaller. Don't want it too big. Right. Okay, let's get to it. Right. Okay, Kai. I see. So, how was everyone's week? Right. Tux. There's no need. I'm already self-conscious, man. How was everyone's week? How many trades did we take? Stop loss, take profit. How was everyone? I don't want just Tux as well. Come on, guys. If some of you guys aren't typing as well, I just expect you had a shit week. 3 out of 6. Nice. So, break even. Or was some of those positive risk reward? That's a lot of trades, to be fair. Break even, okay. That is a lot of trades. 1 win. Nice. Currently, ooh. Win from UJ. Nice. Currently down 7% on my second phase. That's not just this week, right? That's over the past however long. I want to go over the UJ because I didn't have anything in UJ in 2 months. Okay. Are you trading levels and stuff, Massey, or are you just doing your own strategy? If you're doing your own strategy, I probably can't help as much. Okay, you do your own. Okay. Well, I'll go over my analysis and stuff, and then we can actually have a chat about it if you want and see what we can do to try and get you back on track. Late one. Was it the GJ and UJ? This thing on Thursday. GJ there, UJ here. Okay. Yeah, that was I was awake for that. The markets were going insane. Right, so let's cover some things. I can't lose with yours. Sometimes I take some of your trades, and most of the time it's success. Most of the time. Don't do that. If you're trading your own strategy, don't be taking random trades that aren't yours. Nah, you can't be doing that. There's no point. You're just copying signals. Especially if you had a separate challenge, sure, but there's no consistency. Because then if you do well with your trades and then copy one of mine and it loses, you'll be fucking pissed. You need consistency in what you do. Like, I obviously in here, as you guys see, we have like so many different, like, I guess, analysts that post trades and call outs, and we don't have many Forex ones because there isn't many Forex ones, to be fair, but there's a lot of futures ones. We've had these for ages. Like, we've always had analysts in this Discord, and obviously the Discord's like 4 or 5 years old, and I've never taken a single trade from any of them, and we've had thousands of call outs, never taken a single one. Just no, it just messes with just everything. Right, anyway, let's quickly go through some trades. So your Aussie dollar did absolutely nothing. I'm guessing no one took any trades on this because it was, well, nothing happened. I guess we had a tap into this, which obviously wasn't really tradable. And that's it. We still, oh shit, no, that was the 61 fib. Now I'm guessing it's not. Would I take that? Not really. I won't class that as a 61 fib anymore. I mean, it's Euro Aussie. If this was a different pair that did a lot of well, volatile like GJ or Enter D pair, then yeah, sure, I might class it, but I don't think I'll take this. This one is technically valid. I just don't like, I hate when it just breaks the high with a wick. I want like a decent close, and then yeah, sure, I'll give it a go. So I don't know, and it's already been used twice. I know obviously it's created a new high, but I'm not a massive fan. It is a valid level 100%, but I'm just not a huge fan. For this I need some decent alignment. Let's grab this. Timing, I wouldn't even take it off timing. I want something strong for this because I'm not massively keen, so I need alignment for that one. For this one we just need the breach. Oh shit, that's event for the Discord. This one we need breach of previous. For this sell up here, I'm not really bothered, especially since we've technically tapped into this weird zone. I'm not taking anything. It's just something good for alignment. And then these are still 50 fib, 61 fib. They're the two zones. So yeah, these are conditional. These ones are completely fine, 100% valid trades. If you see a rectangle on my chart, that means it's, no matter what, it's a valid trade. So it's obviously got a fib. Whereas if it doesn't, then it's most likely there's nothing technically there. I'm just waiting for alignment, timing, breach. This technically has the EMA, but obviously I'm not going to mark that because it's, by the time it gets down here, it's not going to be there, is it? Let's have a look. Tux, Euro Aussie dollar. Okay, you've got that, and you've got that. Yeah, the 61. Okay, you got this one as well. That one I wouldn't take. I'm not a huge fan just because of how price kind of closed. And well, not closed, but technically, well, obviously, if I'm looking at my levels, I'm technically looking at this entire zone. So for me, that isn't that clean. And again, with the take profit, let's say you're, well, where were you entering? Just below, let's say here. Is this fucking with your take profit? Ooh, no, I think you're okay, actually. It's pretty much bang on. It's not too bad. But obviously, you got to bear in mind, there's a high chance that then, once you have a level here, this can happen. So, got to be a little bit careful with that. Only if the movement is clean for that sell. Okay, yeah, I guess that's fair. 100 pips with timing, maybe a match. Okay. See, I'd rather use this for alignment for another pair because I'm guessing we have a few sells close on other pairs. We'll see. This one, yeah, I don't know. I'm not a huge fan right now. Like, if it came down to retest, like, Monday, then I don't know. Whereas if we just chilled around here, create a bit more price action, and then pushed into it, yeah, that's nice. It's just, I don't know, with when we create new fibs and new highs, I want like a solid new high, not like when we see a breach of a level that is, let's say, by a few pips as a wick, I wouldn't then draw a new fib. Obviously, that's not valid, but I won't draw a new fib based off of that. And again, I'm not a massive fan based on that either. I want like a solid close that indicates we're obviously pushing to the upside. This is, it could just be a glorified rejection. Like, it could just be slippage. It doesn't say to me that, yeah, we have breached market structure, but that's not a strong breach. So I don't know. I'm just a bit picky with those. So for this now, I'd require good confluences. That's just the way I see it. And this one is a little bit wide, but I'm not even bothered about the fib. If we see a breach of this, I'll go for this. So that's it for your Aussie. Euro into D, tapped into low. That was so fucking nice with the EMA. That happened on the same time as GJ and UJ at like close to midnight, I think. Yeah, midnight. I was awake for that one. Oops. My routine has been pretty shit recently, but I'm back on it. Yeah, I was looking out for this one. This one was going to be so nice. As you can see, I mean, technically missed, but it worked. And that is that really. So that is gone now. This entire price action on your enter D is getting a little bit shit. Obviously nothing in this is tradable right now. That's not tradable. That's not tradable for me, at least. So I'm just waiting for a breach of either side. That's it. We just need a break out of this. This is the 38 fib of this move down. And then we have this 50 fib, which is a wide zone. So I'll most likely go in the middle or on the level. The 50 fib is quite high, 40 pips from that second level, and it's the 50 fib of, I think, this move up. Don't know, but it's one of them. So yeah, just waiting for a breach of something, please. I'm guessing no one had anything on your end today, because that is some dog price action. Unless someone got caught in this really early, I doubt it. Yeah, I'm guessing no one took anything. And it's silent, so I'm guessing that's a no. GA. So, oh shit, I took GA. No, I didn't. Did I? Oh god, my memory's so bad. Did I take that trade, or is it just on there just for bounce? I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, I think I took that trade. I need to go in my journal. I did actually journal this. I journaled a GA trade. I'm pretty sure it's GA I took. It was GA. Okay, I've took 2 trades this week. Okay, I'm break even. Nice. It wasn't a losing week. Fuck, my memory's really bad. That is really bad, isn't it? It's supposed to lead by example. I promise. Watch this. I actually have it written down in my journal as well. Watch. Wait. I just have really bad memory. Oh, I have both of them. I even have gold. Look at me. GA and gold. Hell yeah. I didn't even know I'd journaled the gold, but I've got gold journal as well. So I am leading by example because I journal my trades now. But I just don't remember them. I don't even remember what the confidence for this. That is really bad. The 50 fib, there you go. Yeah, I knew it was 50 fib. Yeah, of course. Anyone else hit this trade? I think that was the only trade I copied. Good, because the gold one lost. The gold one I doubt you would have been able to get in because I posted it pretty much as it was entering. I think that's the main reason that gold one failed, is because I panicked. Because I got alerted and price was dumping into that level like fast. And I think it gave me, by the time my alert went off, I had like 4 minutes to check what the hell was going on, set entries, go over news, if there's any Trump tweets. And obviously I didn't really see the Michigan thing. And I mean, it's only orange folder, so I probably still would have taken a trade, to be honest. But now I know. Anyway, yeah, GA worked. Anyone take this? Wasn't only Massey, surely. Okay, stuck it, nice. Yeah, there's sexy, okay. The rest of them are asleep. So that was fine. And now we have this nice little counter, which is the 50. Is anyone liking that? I think if you banged profits on this, you've kind of got to take this. I know the level's a bit weird because it was a market open, weird wicks, I don't know. Yeah, it does look ugly. But, I mean, obviously that's a level. We've got a little double there. It's created one, bigger, another one, bam. Let's have a look at yours. Mine's nicer. Yeah, okay, fair. Yours is nicer. Fair enough. So yeah, that's the 50 fib. Do I have any more analysis? Not really. That's a guaranteed trade. I'm taking that no matter what. I don't know why I've drew it from there. I'm guessing that's where my entry is. Don't know. That's only a small... Oh, that is actually really nice for entries. Because then we only need to cover it by... What's that? 12. So go 22. That's 20... We could probably go 30 pip stop loss on that. I know that's scary as hell, but that's an easy one. So entries around 8.5. Let's see where you put yours. God damn, your entry's high. Your entry's 20 pips above mine. See, I don't have the wick. Huh. Because that's where... Ooh, that's where profit taking will start. Check you out. Where are you basing your profit taking from? From the wick. Why would you say profit taking starts here, Tux? Like, what's your reasoning for that? And why would you go to the 4 hour profit taking? Why isn't it on the 1 hour type thing? Because I mean, I don't even use profit taking really. I don't know. I don't really like the concept. Just how I've been doing it to refine a level. Okay, first. So you go down to the 4 hour and then what? Just find the wick? Because for me, the only thing I'll do if I want to refine a level, let's say, for example, levels like this, where it's a big ass wick. Obviously, I don't want to enter here. I don't know where to enter, really. I'll just enter a few pips before type thing. But what I'll do is I'll go down to the 4 hour and try and find the wicks. So there you go, straight away. That, to me, is my zone of interest. I always look at the wicks. That's where the rejection is for me. So I'll look at that. I'll go down to the 1 hour, see if it's similar or see if it's way smaller. It's pretty much the same on the 1 hour, which is even nicer. So for me, that's my area of interest. I don't really look at profit taking, to be honest. But again, here, if I was looking at, let's say, this zone, I would do that on the 4 hour. That's my area of interest. Even if the daily is smaller, I mean, daily is technically bigger. Let's say I was looking for entries here and price tapped into the top of this and made the move. I'll then probably cancel this. Because to me, that is the zone. And you can see it's done the exact same here. Exact same thing. I don't know. That's just the way. I guess everyone looks at it differently. I kind of got that off Pauper. He always looks at candle body close to the wick. That's his like area of interest, and I kind of like the logic behind it. It just makes sense to me. But I guess technically on this one, the entire zone would be that, which is then where it gets like, okay, I want to refine it down until it's about 30-ish pips. So I'd go even lower. 1 hour, this is where it gets a bit shit now. So the refinement now is probably that. You have that as a level, and then this one as a level. So I'll just use this one. So I guess it's kind of the same as you, to be fair. So you're just trying to like refine it down to like the first zone within the zone. That is within 30 pips. Obviously this, that's 41. That's not really refining it. You've just made it fucking bigger. So I'm trying to find like the final refinement. Makes sense? I'd be annoyed if it tapped a big 4 hour wick and a miss. Yeah, that's fair. Just make sure you're consistent with that though. Okay. Okay, so that's the 50, and then this is obviously the backup. If we see a breach of this, I will take this obviously with time and alignment as well. If this does a reaction and then we breach, so obviously because it's so far away, I'm completely fine with that. So if we see some shit like that, 100% fine. Because then the next level is all the way down here, miles away, unless you want to go for these weird wicks. So this one is completely valid for me with any of these bad boys. That's fine. There's an alert set for this one, ping an alert for this one, and the high there's an alert set for that one. So that is GA. That's how I took to sell though. So I have to take the back. Yeah, exactly. GN. Anyone have anything on GN? Because I see nothing there. Unless you went for this high, which is crazy degenerate. Literally made one candle pullback, did a little wick, and then pushed back into, I guess it is 200 pips, but hello, Lytix. Hello. No one took anything on GN? Oh, sending zones already. Hell yeah. That is beautiful. Bop TA. I'm loving the bop and TA. That's nice. My win rate on GN is 0%. That's horrendous. Let's see mine. How many trades have I taken on GN this year? To be fair, I don't think I've taken many on GN. GA has been really nice. Oh, my win rate's dropped as well. Oh, I haven't inputted all the stats for gold. Let me just quickly say I lost the trade. Oh, don't wanna. TP 60. Stop loss. Oh shit, I thought that it worked. Oh, I'll just keep it as it worked. Joking. Hey, that's not too bad though. Oh shit, no, my stats have been pretty shit recently. Oh god. What's my win rate? Please be okay, 71%. That's not too bad, right? The equity curve is getting a little bit bumpy. Not looking the nicest. Oops. GA's been nice. 3 trades, 3 wins. GN, 1 trade, 1 win. GJ, 2 wins. What? Where are my losses coming from? EN, I've been bummed. UJ, been bummed. Gold is okay. So we're not doing too bad. There you go. There's hey, come on. Pound pairs are on top. I've not lost a single trade on pound pairs yet this year. Your NZD, I haven't won a trade. UJ, I've not won a trade. Gold's been good. That's obviously with 1.5 risk reward as well. So that is insane. That's what? 6. That's 5 risk reward. 5%. That's not bad. Yeah, I think last month ended up not the best. May. That's not right. That's broken. I wish it was 2.5. Anyway, right. Fuck the journal off. I know you guys don't like the journal. What are we talking about? Shite pair. I don't think I've had a trade. Them colours feel like a wave. Copy Seb or Seb copy you? Oh, with Lytix colours. Mine looks like yours, but worse. That's a lot of trades. Hey, no, that's good, Tux. That is good. That's really good. I mean, wasn't looking the nicest, but you fucking broke out. I see a little break and retest coming, mate. Well, I hope not, because that means it's going to dip even. If you break this high, though, you can whack a fib on that and probably catch like this break retest, or you could look for a deep retracement into that one. That's pretty nice, to be fair. Fair play. That's looking pretty bullish, mate. If you see a break of these highs, that is good. Could be a fake out, though, at the same time. That's true. See, the break and retest on this one was pretty nice. But as you can see here, this was a fake out. Look, broke above, then broke below. And then it's like, yeah, no, we're going to go back up. Boom! Absolutely took that liquidity, took everyone out, and then went fucking skyrocketed. You got good market structure on that, to be fair, Tux. Oh, no, I'm sorry, Lytix. That color is awful. I don't like that at all. I don't know why, but that is... I don't know. I'm not a fan of that. I don't know. Yeah, anyway. GN. Right, okay, so let's go over GN. Oh my god, that is nice. I've not taken a level in the EMA in a while. So that is looking juicy. And all pound pairs haven't let me down so far, so come on. Dead setup. What are you on about, dead setup? Do you not like level in the EMA? Level and EMAs are quite nice. Nope, gay. Alright, well, let's see who's gay when it works. Okay, so that's a 100% valid trade. I'm taking that. This one, I mean, we don't even need to look at them, I guess. That is it, isn't it? Has anyone got anything on GN? The sells are non-existent. They're decades away. These, I highly doubt we're going to tap this week. What we're looking at. Okay, here we go. Let's save us some charts. No, it's the exact same thing. There's no chance you're classing that as a 61 fib. Okay, zones for alignment. I was going to say, that is a big zone. Hell no. That's 60 pips. Yeah, okay, right. Well, let me set an alert for that buy. Okay, so GJ. Who took some GJ trades this week? Anyone? There was the high and there was, I mean, the break reset. I don't know. No? Anyone else? Break and retest miss. Yeah, that candle was a bit shit, wasn't it? Missed highs. Okay. So, yeah, I'm guessing no one took the highs on GJ and UJ because they were late at night. If you're holding pendings, by the way, overnight at the minute in these market conditions, it's crazy. Pending. Oh, there we go. Nice, Rikotsu. I don't know. I just... There's been so... Yeah, but it's 250 pips away. I mean, but it wasn't at the time. But yeah, I get your point. But no, nah, I don't know. Holding pendings overnight in these current market conditions with Trump and by the way, market open's going to be fun. The bias is a little bit mixed. I'm already prepping market open trades for the copy trader, so prepare. I will be in here at 11 o'clock. Wait, when does gold market open? 11 o'clock? Half 10? Like 2 hours from now. But I'll be in here for market open if anyone wants to join and live trade. 11. Okay, I'll be in here at 10 to 11 if anyone wants to do some live trading for market open, because I'll be taking some on this. So, I mean, yeah, quickly, let's go over it. So I reacted to some of the things in Financial Juice that could have... Fuck off. Little bastard. Sorry. So we had a bunch of stuff over the weekend. I'm probably missing more stuff, to be honest. So Trump had another talk on Friday, and it was talking about steel and shit. This one, EU is ready to impose countermeasures because the US increased EU steel tariffs to 50%. Something like that. Oh wait, no, shit, it's everything. No, I don't know. Anyway, you increase EU tariffs, and I saw on Twitter as well. They said they're sorry that they're gonna have to do it, but yeah, they're getting ready to throw countermeasures back at them. So that is obviously gold up, because that's more tariff war, escalation, uncertainty. So that is gold up. We had a shit ton of stuff with Russia, Ukraine over the weekend. I thought this was in total. Turns out it was over the weekend. So Ukraine has absolutely pinged a bunch of Russian airfields, and Russia has just pinged them as well. So Russia and Ukraine are still scrapping. So that's escalated a little bit. So that is also gold up, which is why I put the little chart thing. We also have Israel and Gaza and Yemen and shit. They're pinging each other at the minute over the weekend, which has been pretty quiet recently, but they've started bloody playing what's that, battleships, whatever. So that is also gold up. They intercepted it, which is chilling. And yeah, that's about it. I think there was some other little things, but I can't remember, and I wasn't writing them down. So anyway, I think we're going to see gold up. Yeah, I'm not putting that on the YouTube. Hell no. Oh, but did you guys see my post in like one of my channels where we were talking about a certain country the other week and a certain group of individuals? And I said, oh, imagine if my YouTube video gets taken down because we've talked about that. And then 12 hours later, I get an email from YouTube saying I've been striked on my account, and my video is now... No, internal fucking cameras. Ah, bro, my camera's turned up. Right, I thought I fixed the camera issue. I did some weird setting and it's still not working. Anyway, my video got striked and it got taken down from different countries and stuff. So I'm now on a hit list for a certain group. I probably shouldn't have said that word. Damn it. Anyway, the fucking camera can come back in a minute. You can have some time about my face. GJ, right, let's quickly cover this because it's... Oh, we're only half an hour in, to be fair. Tux, I'll go over yours once I've gone over mine. I like doing that. It's fun. Is this daily? Yeah, it is. Fucking hell. Okay, well, I mean... Oof. We have a few EMAs. I can't lie, when EMAs are bunched up like that, it is quite scary. Oh! Ah, the fib's already used. Bitch. Just getting excited there. I will take this. God damn, one sec. That actually reacted so nicely off of the fib, didn't it? Damn. That pinned it. I will take this. Ooh, that's 40 away. Yeah, well, because if we see a breach of this, a breach of this, a breach of this, and a final push into the level. You got the psych level, you got 0.8 on this round number. I think I will give that a go. Break retest behind mind. Behind mind? I'm not really asked about that. I don't really see that as a problem. I'm not too bothered. So if we, oh god no, we're gonna have to go 50 on this bad boy. So it's gonna be a low entry. Let's say we went 1-1. Gives us 20 plus below. If we see a decent move in, we're breaching this straight into this. Yeah, I'll give that a go. Fuck it, I'll give it a go. I think that's worth a try. 100 plus 200 EMA. I'm intrigued to see if you guys have that marked up or not. Yep, chilling. And the next one is the 50 fib. Obviously, it's 2 levels, so I will have to get a bit of a late entry on that one. I mean, to be fair, going from this one, 26, if you went for a 50 stop loss, you're chilling, you're still giving it 20 pips. So you can maybe even go 45. So entering on the first level is actually okay. So GJ is actually looking all right, but these 3 EMAs do scare me a little bit. Fuck it. I'll give it a go. But if we have time or alignment or any sort of extra confidence, yeah, 100%, I'm chilling. I like that. Just seeing if there's like a duplicate trend line or anything. No, there's nothing, is there? Right, let's see what... Okay, we got Tux and Rikotsu. Nice. By the way, if you guys want to ping in your charts as well, anyone else, and I'll just go through them all after and we all compare, that is completely fine. That's more fun, actually. So thanks, Rikotsu, for sending it as well. It's funny looking at the exact same chart. Okay, so Rikotsu's got... Ooh, okay, so you're splitting these two. What is that second one? Is that just a backup? I'm guessing that's what this is. It's the backup for this. Yeah, backup. Okay. Yeah, that's fair then. Yeah, because the next one isn't until down here, and I doubt it's gonna breach this, do another 100 pips, and then continue another 160. Yeah, nah. If it's breaching this, that's a 100 plus move anyway through that one into the next level. You got that one fair, and then these two up here. I've not even looked at cells really. What's the first one based off? I'm guessing like timing stuff, or are you just taking it no matter what? Key level. Just key level? Just key level. Oh god damn. Okay, that's confidence right there. So why are you taking this as just a key level? Will you take everything as just a key level, or is this one more significant? Because again, like we were talking about consistency and stuff. No, because it's been a while since it's tested. Okay, so is that like written down in your plan? So like longer term swing levels, you'll take just as a solo level. You'll take no confidence, just a key level. Yeah. And do you have like a way of identifying them? Because again, those can be super subjective. Because technically, I mean, this hasn't tapped in. No, okay, yeah, never mind. Big wicks I like. Hey, all right, mate. Oh. There's nothing wrong with that, Tux. Okay, fair play. But again, I'm just going to remind you on the consistency stuff, because I think when we did our little psychology session, the one main... Let me see if my camera turns on now. Wait. The one main thing we came across was a lot of people don't have consistency. Not in their trades. They don't care about like their trades winning or losing. But consistency in whatever they do. If it's their tiers, identifying setups, identifying levels, taking trades, not taking trades, confidence, no confidence. It is just consistency. And doing whatever it is you're doing every single time. So like for me, you're saying...
Hello.
Wait, I don't know what your minimum is for a trade. So what is your minimum usually, Rikotsu, for just a normal trade? Is it key level and a fib, key level and a confidence, key level alignment, any 2 levels? Hello, Cena.
I'm gonna talk since it's gonna be shorter. Basically, I take a key level that hasn't been visited before, so it's like one big rejection, and then once it hits the second tap, then I ignore it.
Okay. But then what about for like just a default like trade? What's your like minimum requirement?
My minimum is key level, and then a good trade would be key level plus fib.
So you'll just take any key level, nothing else.
Not any key level. It has to be like a big key level on daily.
So are these ones big key levels, like these ones, or do you mean like this swing one?
It's more the swing ones where it hasn't been tapped in a while.
Okay, and do you have like a minimum for like how long it hasn't been tapped? Like, is it days or pips or?
I would have to take at least a month.
Okay, so it has to be a swing level as well. Can it just be any level that hasn't been tapped in a month? Because technically, some of these, like,
no, see, they're
for example, this one's 40 days.
Yeah, but that one has already been touched twice for me. So it's basically in your graph, it's just like
Okay.
a little wick out of the blue. Like
Okay.
the top of the mountain.
All right, okay.
Below that.
Yeah, so, I mean, technically this would have been one, because, I mean...
That's why I put depending there for that one.
Okay. All right. Well, the main thing I was trying to get at was, like, as long as you have, like, requirements and conditions, and they're, like, set, they're not just, like, kind of, you know, a bit subjective here, there, everywhere, then that's completely fine. It's just I didn't want you to be like, yeah, I'll take this one, but then I wouldn't take this one. Like,
that one's
just being here and there with them. As long as you have like set rules for how long, I don't know, if it's a certain amount of pips, you have your requirements for your trades all written down and you know what you're taking, what you're not taking, then that's completely fair. I don't care like how risky the level is that you take or how just wrong the level is. As long as you're doing it wrong every time, then there's consistency. So that was the main point. It's just making sure, but that's good.
So the main point is we have to be consistently wrong.
Consistently anything, whatever it is. If you're consistently wrong, then we know you just do the opposite and then you'll be consistently right. So that's better than being a break even. Tux, you've got the same, that as a backup. I mean, I do have that as a backup, to be fair. If both of these breach, I would do the exact same. You would go for that. That's interesting. What's this one with Tux? If price just came up and tapped that now, would you go for it? 250 pip move in, timing. So you just 250 pip move in, or do you need timing as well? Both ideally. Okay. Yeah, I have the same. I'll go over yours as well, Cena. Let's have a look. Damn, we're getting lots of charts now. This is beautiful. Cena, you do not have it marked out. Are you just copying Tux?
No.
I'm only playing. Do you not like this one with the EMA? Or are you not too keen?
I don't like this level. I don't know why.
It is a bit weird because all the EMAs are there. It is a bit strange. I was a bit weird about it. That one, fine. Yeah, all of us have that. 61. Does that have the 61? I do not know. Are you drawing a smaller? No. I don't know if I'd class that as a 61. That's 33 pips away.
Yeah, really.
Yeah, at 30 plus, I wouldn't even look at it really. Because then how are you gonna... This is awkward for entries then, because then you'd have to cover this by... Obviously, if it's covering, you can't do that. That isn't covering. You need to... When you're covering something, you need it by what? I'd say minimum 15.
50.
So if it is 15, this is already a 50 pip stop loss and you're entering bloody low. And you're only just covering a fib. What's that, sorry?
Entering at the middle of the box instead of early entry.
Well, no, you can't really enter. If you were classing this as a confluence, you can't really cover it. It's tough. You'd have to go over a bigger stop loss. But then do you really want to go a 55, 60 pip stop loss? That's quite big. But for this one, to be honest, I don't think... Like, a lot of us here, we take a level and a breach. So... If this breaches, that's all we need. Is literally just once this breaches, this is the backup. Let me just mute. I don't know if he was talking or just don't know. So to be honest, for me, I don't need anything with this. If we see this one fail, then I'll go for this one no matter what. I don't need alignment, timing, fib, EMA, nothing. It's just, we'll go for this. And same as this one. Like, let's say this didn't have a fib. If this one breached, then that means we're seeing a shit ton of momentum in order to breach through this. And price has to dump another 150 pips to then tap into that level. What's the chances of price having a move into this of 150, breaching this strong ass level, pushing another 200 pips and breaching this level without a single pullback? Very, 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 very slim. Yeah. So that's why we take the breach. I think most of us here do. Is anyone that doesn't take like a breach? I'm pretty sure everyone does. We got no replies. Never mind. Everyone's dead. Sour Patch. Ooh, okay. Never mind. We got something more important. What's everyone taking there? Galaxy counters. That's my answer. Galaxy counters for the win. 100%. I've never been a fan of Revels. I don't know. Peanut M&Ms and Mingin. Don't like them. 12 bytes dead. If you get any of these, you're just an NPC. Reese's. Oh, bro, Reese's are disgusting. I don't really like peanut butter, to be honest. Yeah, nah. Counters for the win. Jelly beans. Whoa, what on earth? Bro, who on earth goes and gets jelly beans? Jelly beans. I just sat there and go, you know what? I fancy some jelly beans. That is some weird behavior. Yeah, there you go, Rue. Yeah, send a voice note and give us some, like a 10-15 second reason on why jelly beans are the go-to. Anyway, GJ's done. UJ, how many quarter cells? No one. Great. Fuck. Oh, thank God someone sent something. Missed as well. Nice. No trades. Anyone else? Cena, thank you. Anyone else want to ping in a chat? And we'll go over it. I mean, I'll go over mine first, obviously, then we'll cover everyone else's. Come on, ladies. I missed because I slept. Well, you know what to put in your journal, Lytix. Don't sleep. I'm going to, by the way, there's no point in me even saying this because it's not going to happen. But we were saying about how, like, quite a lot of the really nice gold trades tap between, like, 5 and 8 a.m. UK time. Like, end of Asia type thing. So, I was thinking it is probably worth it to set an alarm for 5 a.m., wake up, quickly check to see if there's anything. If there is, stay up, take it. If there isn't, go back to bed. But, realistically, is that going to happen? No. I was about to mention how you was asleep for the gold trade, Leons. Yeah, no, but I'm saying I'm going to make improvements, all right? I'm going to make improvements. Okay, right, we got 3 charts. Rikotsu, Cena, and Tux. Beautiful. Right, let's quickly go over UJ anyway. I have nothing. Right, onto your charts. That, timer alignment, yeah, that's it. I have nothing else. This, I'm not taking yet. This has been, and again, yes, it's done a decent amount of pips. You could go for it, but it has been used 3 times. That is quite overused. Ooh, perfect little, ooh. Little head and shoulders forming there, by the way. And you know what happens after that formation on the head and shoulders? It goes BAM! So, I would not go for that level again, personally. I'll just wait and go for this. If we did see a strong breach and a decent move into this, I'll take this without timing or alignment. Like a good breach of this, no reaction, I'd go for it. Right, Tux, Cena, Rikotsu, and Lytix. Lytix, your charts are always really awkward. Oh no, there we go. Right, we'll go through them in order of IQ, starting with the lowest. This one. Right. Bop TA. What? One sec. Tux, what do you mean bop? Where's the previous level that it's breaching? Where's? I don't know. Yeah, I know it's yours, obviously. That's what. Oh shit! Did I say Tux? Oh shit! I said Tux. Sorry, I was meant to click on Tux when I said lowest IQ. Sorry. No, I'm playing. I'm playing. Lytix. Yeah. What do you mean by bop? Because I don't really see a breach of any previous. Or is that just a copy and paste? Nothing. Oh, okay, right, okay. It's just time and alignment. Okay, fair. And then, I mean, yeah, we all have, yeah. Right, second lowest IQ. I'm sorry, Tux. I'm playing. Only because you fucking donated £5 to charity to get a rubber duck. This I don't want to. And you want to eat cheese and wine? Yeah, I guess so. And you could sell it and actually make profits. That's a businessman right there. What's this one? I rate how you got the ATR on, by the way. Respect. End your trading career, Lytex. Bloody hell, that's a bit harsh. Yeah, ATR good. Sounded a bit caveman-like. Yeah, ATR good. Nice move in. Time in. Okay. So you guys, right, okay, let's just... Okay, you got those. Cena, you're the exact same as me. Rikotsu. Damn, Rikotsu! What? I should have started off with you with a low IQ. What on earth is that fib? Ain't no way you're drawing a fib from there to there.
Yeah, I was testing it because if you look on the 4-hour charts of UJ, it actually tapped on the 38.
What's that 120 level?
Oh yeah, what is 120%?
New strategy.
You've been testing out a lot of things, huh?
Yeah, you know, it's all about journaling.
I'm doing it consistently.
No, that fib I'm not gonna use. I just left it there to see.
Okay, fair enough. I mean, everyone's got the same. Lytix and Tux, the little degens, have that trade. The rest of us, the good traders, have these two. No, I'm joking. That's some weird email. It will work. Watch. Leon missing out again. Okay. Should we make a little bet right now? Actually, no. I was going to say like a little forfeit if it works versus doesn't work. No, I'm not doing that. Right, okay. Last one. Gold. How did everyone do with gold this week? Wait, who's... Let me just do a little poll right now. 1 sec. Gold. I'm going to put 1 hour, 4 hour, and daily. I just want to see what people are trading. There we go. Like, what time frames is everyone trading? You can select multiple if you trade in multiple. Where's 15 minutes? Fucking Alru. No. That's an LV. Okay, so most people are fuck off camera. It's gonna die already. 3, 2, 1. I called that. I actually called that. Okay, so most people are on the 1 hour. We have 2 ancient 80-year-olds on a daily. Some people are still surviving on 4 hours is fair. 4 hours like halfway towards the 1 hour. 1 hour is just you've got no IQ, like just brain cells have evaporated type thing. Daily is like you're taking one trade every 4 months, and 4 hour is kind of the sweet spot. But I don't know. I kind of like the 1 hour. I think I need to copy Utux and switch to a 4 hour. Don't do it. Okay, so 1 hour. Did I take anything? Yes, I got bummed. Who else also took this? Rue, I think you took this, didn't you? No. No, Rue, you pointed a trade out that I was meant to take and I forgot to take. This break retest, yes. So, fuck. So the only 2 trades for me this week, I was meant to fucking have that one. So Josh rang me, right, at 6 a.m. in the morning, saying, Leon, there's a gold trade. I'm half asleep. I wake up. I didn't answer the phone call, but I knew it was going to be about a trade. I woke up at 6. I was like, oh, what the fuck is going on? And I checked Discord and it's like, there's a gold trade. I checked gold on the chart and I was like, oh, that's a nice trade, that. I went to set it and fell asleep on my phone. I fell asleep mid-placing the trade, woke up and it had worked. So, little bastard. So now that one's, yeah, is what it is. And that tapped at 6 a.m. Again, the perfect 5 to 8 a.m. time. So that one was nice. That means I technically would have been up. But is what it is. And apart from that, there was this break retest, which missed. And then this one, did anyone take this? Anyone else take this trade? Or was it just me? Tux, no, nice, you got away with death. Rikotsu, oh, fuck's sake. Oh my god, okay, so no one took it, I was the only one. Rue, did you take it? Oh, thank god, okay. Okay, right, well, yeah, anyway. The only reason this failed was because we had the, at literally AM, not AM, fucking o'clock. It was fine, and at o'clock we had the news release. News release came out, dumped 50, and within 2 minutes it was back at break even and then worked. Little bastard. So, no, that is actually news though. It worked, the level worked, it's just literally the fucking Michigan thing was positive USD. So, obviously gold dumped a little bit, but obviously, is what it is. That's annoying. That would have actually set me up really nice for the end of the month. Oh well. The revision was positive. Is that not positive USD? I don't really look into it. Or is that not positive USD? Is it negative? The initial was negative, the revision was positive. What? Really? I swear it came out. Oh, unless I just didn't see the initial. I swear it came out positive, didn't it? Is it bad that I don't even remember when I took the trade? This, wasn't it? Friday? Yeah, okay, yeah. It was that. So it was... I don't know. Yeah, I seen a negative and got excited, then it died. It was Friday at 2:58. Yeah, this one, yeah. I don't see the revision. I don't say... Oh. Revised. Oh no, that's just... I don't know. Anyway, for me, okay, I'm pretty sure I see positive, but it is what it is. Apart from that, what we're looking at on the 1 hour right now. Let's see. That... Do I really want to go for that level? Not really. I mean, it's Sunday, innit? Fucking hell, it's Sunday. Oh yeah, the 61. Is that the 61? Oh my god. That is... Oh. Jesus Christ. Sorry, just... Fucking hell, that is nice. Can you look at we had news after gold breakdown? Yeah, sure, man. Alright, well, that's nice. Yeah, 100% taking that. That is a valid motherfucking trade. That is nice. However, market open. I mean, there's no point really doing 1 hour gold analysis, to be honest, is there? Because market will open. And by the time I wake up on Monday, shit's everywhere. Oh my god, actually, wait. I have some news as well. Wait, let me turn on camera again. Come on. Fucking internal temperature too high is a load of bollocks. It's literally sat. The monitors aren't near it. It's got 2 wires into it. It's not exactly... It probably is warm in here, to be fair. Anyway, some good news. Does anyone know what the good news is? You guys can probably guess. It's the 1st of June. It's the end of the month. What does that mean? I'm free! And I'm unemployed. I am technically still employed. Well, no, I'm employed by someone else now. Yeah. So obviously I got fired. No, I'm joking. I was the one who left, by the way. They didn't fire me. I fired them. I did give the options for them to keep me on if they wanted to, but they said no. So, oh well. I did leave FXC Tate. 350 cal for 50. Whoa. Which means, guess what I can start doing again? Oh, fuck. Bit of inception here. The videos. I was a bit skeptical of doing the videos because obviously it's going to be going into more. I used to do them like these morning breakdowns and shit. Because they went into a bit more detail and I don't think they were massively happy with that. And obviously the YouTube videos I couldn't do because it's basically just 50 cal for free. But now that I'm a free little puppy, I can kind of do what I want. Obviously I'm not going to like go and create the entirety of 50 cal for free yet. I'm joking. I won't do a course, but obviously I'm going to upload YouTube videos and stuff going over like strategy and trade breakdowns and fib and levels. I'm obviously going to do all that. I'm not going to do it straight away. Obviously I'll give it a few weeks and then get into it. But like the video little breakdowns I'm doing here and trade reviews that I used to do, I can get back on them. And if we want to do like set like lessons on alignment or fib or whatever, we can do those too. Leon has the videos ready already. You just need to push the button. No, I'm not slagging off Seb. No. I got the 50 cal file if anyone. Oh, I ain't reading that. Hell no. I have this little 50 cal bullet. I don't think I ever watched the full thing, to be fair. You can't lie. That is a sick USB. That is such a cool USB stick. That is like probably the coolest thing they've done, to be honest. 50 cal and putting it as a 50 cal bullet. That is cool. It is fucking sharp though, by the way. It's dead sharp. So no more FXC floor. I mean, I won't be going to the floor, no. And Seb's not on the floor anymore. Obviously he's in Marbella or whatever. Is there much point doing any gold 1 hour? That is a takeable level. I will take that. That's a decent wick to take. MCR floor. Nah, I mean, not for a long time if I wanted to do it. But it would be cool to do some like little meetups and stuff. Just do some, I don't know. Because obviously I met quite a few, well, no, I only met Tux from here. But we'll sit in your room. No, we'll do something in Manchester. Right, okay, that's weird. But obviously I met a bunch of you guys and a few guys from MCR as well, so we could do some like little meetups and stuff. I think that'd be cool. Just everyone come down to Manchester. Obviously we're not going to talk trade. You know what we could do? We could all go to like some little co-working spot. His mum can bring us snacks. Mum gonna bring my friends round. One of them's 43 and bald and has a wife and kids. His name's JJ. That'd be a bit weird. Yeah, no, it'd be sick though if we did like little things in Manchester or whatever. That'd be cool. But I'm down for that. I'm down. Right, well that's about it really. That is the analysis done. Okay, over to the degen. So come to Bristol. Oh, we could meet in London. London would be cool. Come to Iran. I promise you'll come back alive to your no thanks, I'm alright. Oh, thanks Tux. My sexy gold chart. That looks there ain't nothing sexy about that. What the fuck is this? Why have you got that still there? You need a cleanup crew, you. Leon, right, I'm not fucking ginger, alright? You'd be a unicorn in Iran. I don't know. Right. Alright, buddies. Alright. I see how it is. Right. Look at me. Why do you think I have these bright yellow lights? It's to make me non-albino. If I put these on white. Hell no. Holy shit. No. Hell no. Have you ever looked at yourself in like, do you know when you go to self-checkout at Tesco and you look at yourself in those cameras? Holy shit. Do they humble you? Oh shit. Just like any supermarket self-checkout bloody video camera things, mate, they look, oh Jesus. You'll be feeling yourself one day like, yeah, I'm looking good today. You'll get to the checkout and you'll be like, holy shit, mate, I look dreadful. Did I miss any levels, gang? Fucking different chart and everything here. Yeah. What? Yours looks so... Is it gold? Are you on... What chart are you on there? 4 hour? What? Oh yeah, it is. Fuck yeah. What do you mean I'm slow? I don't know. How am I meant to know you're on a 4 hour? Anyway, right. Yeah, that looks... you missed that one. I don't know, actually. Yeah, that one's a weird one. I'd use that, though, if we saw a breach of this into that. Yeah, nice. It's gold. Remember. Right, okay. On to the degen shit. Who is actually invested here? Tate's invested. Rue's invested. I don't think anyone else is. Is it just you two? Because, by the way, we're hitting 2x this week. We're hitting 200. I'm taking out my loan tomorrow. Invested in what? No, you didn't, Lytix. I put 600 in on the weekend. My bank is not open yet. Yeah, no chance, mate. Well, wait. Oh, who pussied out? Who's pussied out and pulled out 400? Little shit bags. But we did have 1k invested. I got oh my god. One sec, Tate. So you took out 430, degened on Bitcoin, and then you're putting it back in. Fucking hell. Fair play. Are you putting in more now, or are you less? Don't tell me you withdrew, degened on Bitcoin, lost half of it, and now you're fucking putting it back in. I'll be very disappointed. This is how you... Right. Okay, thank God I don't have the chat open. Jesus. Well, anyway. Hey, it's back in. No way. That was fast. Fucking hell. That actually updated fast. Well, we're up 30%. So far, I think only one loss. If we actually go to the trading panel. 2 losses. These are break-evens. I can't remember any of the trades, to be honest. I don't know. But anyway, the one trade we will be taking will be gold open. Risking 10%, and we'll be going for some fucking decent percentage. So I'm guessing gold should gap up. And if we go to, let's just go to the previous gaps. I just want to see that, has it followed the trend, or is it like filled the gap instantly type thing? Because we've had gaps every time, haven't we? Friday. Okay, so there's market. Okay, so it's opened. Fucking gapped down. Oh, only $7. Broke. Okay, $7. It's done 5, broke even, and then dumped. That's all I need to know. Now on to the next one. $7 break even, then carried on. Here's this one. This one gapped up, just continued up. Okay. I mean, that's 2 okay results so far. Even if it break evens and then carries on, that's fine. Previous, this one. Let's see, where's the gap? Friday. Bitch. No gap. Oh, not open yet, dickhead. Oh! Gapped. Broke even. Continued. Okay. That's market research for me. Let's just do one more. So we've had like 2 break even, and then 1 just straight bam. Let's check this one. Here we go. Let's see where this one goes. Absolute pussy gap. Nothing. Okay. So yeah, I'll take it. I probably won't put stops to break even ASAP. I'll just keep it. I'll put stops like above the gap and just hold it. And I'll hold it for... Oh, fuck. I should have checked, man. I still don't get how there's only 1k invested with 10 people in it. Yeah, I don't know. Unless... Because I've allowed copy capital as well. So people can invest on their... Copy capital? Why did I say copy capital, you dickhead? Demo fucking stuff. So I've turned it on so you're allowed to copy through a demo account. But it shouldn't show under the investors. I think there should be... I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. But I'm guessing that's what it is. People are copying on demos, maybe. Must be. But yeah, either way, gonna sell on market open. Spreads are gonna be insane. I'll wait for like the first minute or 2, and then I will get in, and then we'll see. So this was... Oh, is it Monday? So I don't know. Do we hold it through Asia? Oh no, hell no. This reversed at 1 a.m. So that carried on until 1 a.m. We go to the previous. A little shithead. Here we go. This carried on until midnight. Okay, I see a trend going on here. God damn, that's a big gap. And then this one continued until midnight. Okay, so hold until midnight. Yeah, they all reverse around midnight. Okay. So we will take sells at open, hold until midnight. 2 more hours. Yeah. So I'll hold it for about an hour. I don't care about reversals, mate. Rue, what's your flip account on? What did you start with and where you at right now? Wait, I can end the YouTube. YouTube, peace out. I'm just talking shit now, so it's not really the breakdown. If you do want to carry on watching, head to the Discord, and it's in like